This is Kay, daughter of the king. Kay just woke up in her new apartment. A fresh start, even if everything still feels a little chaotic. Kay enjoys skincare, working until she passes out, and editing videos until the sun rises. She lives off vibes, Celsius, and pure ambition. Today, she's starting her morning with skincare, then diving into her planner because it makes her feel like that bitch. Everything seems normal, peaceful even. So Kay will ask for guidance from the king, and let's see what today holds. Oh, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections.
Here is what's going on. I moved my family and my business into a totally new apartment, and I didn't bring anything with me. I didn't bring any big furniture. All I brought was the stuff for my work, because I really want to get in, I felt like the only way I was going to start over and really get into my content creation era is to really start over. And it's like I was starting over anyway, because I was starting to get rid of stuff, because I knew that when I went to the new place I was going to want to just start fresh. But I don't know, I think it just, when you just get up and do it, it just makes it I don't know, it just makes it so much easier, because you look around and you be like, oh, I don't have shit. My boyfriend and his dad are on the way back to bring some more stuff from the old apartment, and I'm gonna have my work desk so I can get off the floor, get off the counter. That way I can really bust it. I still didn't finish the what's the name, y'all. So we're probably gonna have a whole moment together to clean. Oh, I need to tell him to bring towels. I'll get towels tonight, and I'll just do a deep clean while y'all sleep. So that's what we're gonna do. We are going to have a cleaning session. So that's what we can do today. I have a to-do list, y'all, but it's on my phone, and I'm recording on my phone. Oh my God. I needed to finish my work, which I just did. The next thing I need to do is, I need to do my hair for this week. I wanna go ahead and put my hair on, but I kinda wanna do it later. I need to do my nails for this week. I don't know what we about to do next. That's why I don't like talking in my vlogs, because my mind is so jumbled up. And even if I have a to-do list, I be struggling on what order I want to put shit in. So I guess, I don't know. Do it really matter? Because I have to do it all. That's why it's on the list, because it has to get done today.
That I can have this moment for life. You could do it.
Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire. And yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment I'm king. In this very moment I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment I bring, put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me, grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens, and it's crazy. Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't faze me. Ain't being cocky, we just vindicated. Best believe that when we done this moment, we'll be syndicated.
Ooh. There we go. So right now I am working on my wig, and I'm doing some really lazy girl shit. So I just put my wig on a couple of days ago. Not a week, but a couple of days ago. I just didn't finish the process. I had started recording how to put on a ball cap, and from there, I don't know what happened. I just stopped recording. So my lace definitely 1000% is lifting on the sides. My cap has came back a little on the side. So as I was getting ready to reapply my wig, I realized I have not plucked this wig yet. It came pre-plucked, but it was not nowhere near as plucked as I needed it to be. So I'm about to finish plucking it while it's on my head. So the wig is held down right here. The glue right here is still gluey. So I'm really redoing the sides. I'm plucking everything and I'm just redoing the whole front. So pray for me. So what I'm doing is just using my tweezers, and I am just going through, well, right now I'm about to hot comb it back so that I can see some more on this side, but I'm just going through and I am just plucking. I'm just plucking the hairline right now because it's so freaking thick and I can't live like that. So I'm just plucking some so that I can get started and see what more I need to do. And then I'm gonna go in with my hot comb so that I can lay it down and really see what I have to get. Y'all, and I'm not a hairstylist. I just be in survival.
So deep in your eyes, I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in the phone. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. I'm feeling the change. We drunk and drunk.
Can I be a friend?
Got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you page me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy in love. Got me looking so crazy in love. Oh 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 oh, baby we. 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 When I talk to my friends so quietly, won't be picky. Look at what you did to me. Tissues don't even need to buy a new address. If you ain't there, ain't nobody else to impress. The way that you know what I gotta do is the beat in my heart is in love with you. But I still don't feel the same. Just how can I do it?
Okay, it is, I need my computer to come on. Oh, it's on. So it is, I look crazy. Look at the side of my hair. It is Tuesday and it is 2:43 right now. I didn't record any of my morning. I can't remember the last thing that I recorded. I think it was on Sunday, which means I recorded none of Monday, but that's okay. We're here right now. It is 2:43. So I have a meeting at my 9 to 5 at 4, from 4 to 4:30, but it's just like really a check-in just to see what's coming down the pipeline, what I need, at least I think. And as far as what I need to do next, I did check into my class. What I need to do today for my class is what I'm doing right now, film for my vlog, which is this vlog, and then I need to do a trending video. I do need to straighten my hair like really bad. I was wearing it curly for a little bit, but it just, I don't be feeling like doing, I don't know, I will get up and straighten my hair, but I don't be feeling like getting up and wetting my hair. Even though wetting my hair sounds like it would be easier, I just don't want to. Let me reconnect the wig. I have to reconnect the wig again. I gotta get all of this cleaned up, but I just bought me some alcohol pads. Y'all, have y'all ever shopped? Comment below and tell me, have y'all ever shopped at this store called Pop Shelf? They have like so much stuff there that's just cheap. Like I need a nail glue for my nails this week, and normally I get the Kiss gel nail glue, and I normally pay like $3 or $4. But they had it there for $1.50. And then I also needed some alcohol pads, and I normally pay like $4 or $5 for alcohol pads, but they had a box of 100 alcohol pads for $1.50. So I don't know. I wonder if anybody else shops there. Right now, I'm about to go on an editing spree. Hold on, excuse me. Turn that down. You can't do nothing with children around. I'm about to get on an editing sprint right now. I want to have all of my videos for the rest of this week edited so that I don't have to worry about them anymore, because they are already in a folder. Some of them I just need to film, and some of them I need to edit. Like I need to film my breakfast video for TikTok, and then I need to film, I think, some more beauty videos. Okay, so it is currently 4:33 right now, and my manager canceled our one-on-one. That's good. So I am still crossing stuff off my list. The things that I have left to do now are to work on my email list on my website, because I don't know where I don't know if the camera's here, if it's there. Work on my website list. I switched over to another host. I use MailChimp now. I was using GetResponse, but I'm using MailChimp now. Got to get the ball rolling on this stuff. So what I'm about to do right now, it is 4:40 now. I'm clocking out from my 9 to 5 job at 5:30, and then I'm gonna work out. So I'm doing my hair after I work out. So right now I'm gonna work on my email list so that I can just kind of get my list together, because I have 2 pop-ups on my website right now. I have a pop-up to where when people scroll like for the first 3 seconds on my website, it'll give you an offer to get money off, but I actually want those people to go to a list. I don't want to give a discount. And I was initially giving a discount, so once you sign up, it will just put you on the list and it'll give you a discount code right then and there. But I want to do something more of whenever they sign up, they go to one of my lists that I had, like I had on Get Response, they'll go to one of my lists, and then I can just work my list from there. So if I want to do a campaign for my girlies that are on my graphic design list, and I can do that. For like purchase my logo design, I can do that. Or for the girlies who purchase more of my digital products, search for something like that. So, or for the girls who have never purchased from me and they really don't know what I have to offer, or they don't know what I can do for them, I need a list for them too. So yeah. So comment down below if you have a business, if you have your own business and you are currently running an email list with different, and you have different types of lists going on, let me know like how you categorize it up. Like, do you have a list for people who just visit your site? Do you have a list for people who just generally have not purchased from you and they may not know? Like, do you have like a brand awareness type list? So let me know, because I need some ideas for that. So I'm going to work on the email list and then the Pinterest board. I really don't vlog a lot of me working because I just be sitting here.
Who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy. Slept through the flight, ayy, not for the night. 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man. I still got scores to settle, man. I crept down the block, made a right, yeah. Cut the lights, yeah. Paid a price, yeah. Niggas think it's sweet. On sight, yeah. Nothing nice, yeah. Vegas in my ice, Jesus Christ, yeah. Checks over stripes, yeah. That's what I like, that's what we like. Lost my respect, you not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like a